Dear students, good morning. Today we take resolution of vectors into rectangular components or two-dimensional resolution of vectors. Okay. Two-dimensional resolution of vectors. Here we resolve vectors, any vector in two dimensions, x-axis and y-axis. Here we take only two axes. We don't take z-axis here. We take only two axes are there, x-axis and y-axis. This is called rectangular component or two-dimensional resolution. Why rectangular component? Because in this there is a plane only. There is only a plane because we don't take z-axis here. Okay, dear students. Now we take a vector OA vector. This makes theta angle from the axis. So OA vector is small a vector. OB vector. We draw a perpendicular on x-axis from the point A. Then we go to OB. Then this OB is the component of this A vector in the x direction. Like that OC is the component of this vector in y direction. Okay. Then here OC is equal to BA. So we can also write BA is also equal to AY vector. If we take only magnitude of this vector, then we can write OA equal to A, OB equal to AX, and OC or BA equal to AY. Now we apply triangle law of vector addition. Now we apply triangle law of vector addition. Then OB vector plus BA vector equal to OA vector. Everybody know the triangle law of vector addition. In this we take two sides of any triangle in same order. Then the third side in opposite order shows the addition of given two vectors. Now this OB vector plus BA vector equal to OA vector. Then what is OB vector? Then OB vector is denoted by AX vector. What is BA vector? So here we see that OC and BA are equal. So we write BA vector is AY vector equal to OA vector is A vector. Okay. Now the direction of this AX vector in x direction and unit vector in x direction is I cap. Everybody know. And unit vector in y direction is j cap. Unit vector in x direction is I cap and unit vector in y direction is j cap. So if we divide vector by the magnitude of that vector, then here we can write like that, or we can also write AX vector upon A, both are same. Here if we take vector, then we take modulus. If we don't take here modulus, here we don't take arrow, then we don't have modulus. Then direction of this AX vector is in the x direction. So here we take I cap, here we also take I cap. Then what is AX vector? Then we can write that AX vector equal to AX multiplied with I cap. Like that we can write J cap equal to AY vector divided by magnitude of vector. Any vector is divided by the magnitude of that vector, then we got the unit vector in that direction. Any vector is divided by the magnitude of that vector, then we got unit vector. What is the definition of unit vector? The ratio of any vector and magnitude of that vector is equal to unit vector. And we know that unit vector in the AX direction is I cap. Why? Because AX vector is in the direction of x axis and y vector is in the direction of y axis. So ax vector equal to ax upon ax multiplied with I cap, like that. If ay vector is divided by ay, then we got j. Any vector divided by the magnitude of that vector, then we got unit vector. Yes, then unit vector in ay direction is j cap. So we can write ay vector equal to ay multiplied with j. Now if we write value of ax and ay in this equation 1, then we can write a vector equal to ax I cap plus ay j. This is the resultant vector. How we, in this formula shows that we can write any vector, two-dimensional vector, which have component in x direction and y direction, with a component in x direction multiplied with I cap plus component in y direction multiplied with j cap equal to resultant vector. How we find the magnitude of resultant vector? देखिए हम resultant vector का magnitude of a, how we can find the magnitude of a in terms of ax and ay? Then again by this diagram, what is cos theta in triangle OAB? What is cos theta? You know, cos theta equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Then what is the base? Base is OB and hypotenuse is OA. Here we only take the magnitude of these two. Then what is the magnitude of OB? Then magnitude of OB is AX and magnitude of OA is A. Then what is AX? Then AX equal to A cos theta. Like that. Now we find sin theta in this triangle, same triangle. Now we take sin theta in triangle OAB. What is sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then what is the perpendicular in this? Perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is OA. Again, what is the magnitude of AB? AB or BA? Magnitude is AB or B have same magnitude because the direction node comes in magnitude. So this is AY and magnitude of OA is A. Now this A is multiplied with sin theta. Then what is AY? AY becomes A sin theta. Now if we add square and add these two equations, number 3 and equation number 4. If we square and add these two equations, then we go ax square, left hand side ax square plus ay square, squaring and add. Why we square and add? देखिए हमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Because we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta becomes 1. A square sin square theta. Then ax square plus ay square equal to a square common cos square theta plus sin square theta. By the identity in trigonometry, we can write a square common. Then remaining in bracket is cos square theta plus sin square theta. That becomes 1. Then what is a? A equal to, if we remove the square, then in this that side under root comes. Then under root of ax square plus ay square. This is the magnitude of given vector. Now if we have to find the direction of this vector from the x-axis, then we take a angle theta. Okay, how we find the direction? By the angle theta. Angle theta से आप इसका क्या लेंगे? Direction लेंगे. Then what is tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. What is perpendicular? AB. What is base? OB. What is the magnitude of AB? What is the magnitude of AB? The magnitude of AB or AB is AY, and magnitude of OB is AX. Then we can find the direction of this OA vector. In direction we find the angle, and here we find angle of OA from the x axis. Then tan theta equal to AY upon A. Here tan theta is equal to AY upon X. This is the two-dimensional resolution of any vector. In this, resultant of any vector A is given by AX vector plus AY vector, or we can also write A vector equal to AX component in X direction multiply with IK, component in Y direction multiply with JK, and magnitude of this A vector is under root AX square plus AY square, and direction of this A vector given by the angle theta, and this angle theta made by the X axis, that is AY upon AX. Okay dear students, you have to note down this in your notebook. I also send the notes of this topic. Okay, tomorrow we do some numerical question on this topic. Okay dear students, thank you.